Welcome inside the InfluencerSoft dashboard. I'm super excited. The first thing you're going to see up here is a fast start video welcoming you into the platform. It's 27 minutes long, and it's going to help you set up your entire system in less than 1 hour to get fully ready to go out there and start building funnels and systems, start making money, and start building the business that you've always wanted to build online. Now, what you're going to need to do, and what this video is going to walk you through, is first off, setting up your payment processor. So under Store here, you're going to go ahead and click on that, go over to Settings, select either Stripe or PayPal. That's what we have fully integrated with now. In the future, we'll have our own merchant processor, and we'll integrate with other processors as well. But right now, you choose either Stripe or PayPal. Within minutes, you get connected. After that, you go over to websites, and you can select and create your own custom domain names, which means you can go over to GoDaddy or Namecheap and buy your own custom domain names, and within minutes set them up so they're pointed at our system. After that, you're going to need to set up your product. So you go back over to Store. We walk you through step by step in the Fast Start video how to set up your products. So you have all the settings correct and you're ready to start selling your products in the funnel. After that, you need to set up your send email, because you're going to be able to send out emails from our system. You need to have an email in the system that you can send from that's verified by you. So you have to go through a couple steps to set that up. After that's ready, time to start building some funnels. All right, so click on funnels. You can click create new funnel, see which funnels you have. You can create categories. But what we're going to do is I'm actually going to go over to catalog, and over time we're going to add in a ton of funnels that you get for free that are proven and tested funnels. Every single one of these funnels that we have in right here has been a profitable funnel for us or our clients over the last 8 years building funnels, and we're giving that to you for free when you sign up. So over time, we're going to just keep giving you more and more proven funnels that you can just take the template and run with it. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one in the middle, lead magnet to live webinar funnel, show you how to build a live webinar funnel. Now, if you want to share funnels with your friends or they want to share it with you, within seconds, you can give them a link. They can click on it. Within seconds, you can get their funnel. So if you want to share your funnels or you want to buy a funnel off somebody, you can do that as well. Create a funnel to share, to sell funnels if you want. So, all right. So we're going to go ahead and click create funnel. And now you can see this funnel within seconds. I mean, like, boom, it's right there. So we're going to have to do a couple things to get this to go live. So you can see here, I'm going to try to turn it on. It's giving me a couple prompts here. So that's why we had to create the products first. So you go under action, just select products. I'll just go ahead and select a couple of my products just for the sake of time. We're not really thinking about it. We're just doing it. Okay. So now we got this funnel ready to go. There's just a couple other things that I got to do. These emails here, we got to set them to on a delay. We're going to say after 2 hours on the first one. The second one, we're going to go after 24 hours. So you'll have to go and set some of the settings, customize to your liking. All right, so you can see here, we have some different funnel steps. Okay, the first step is a lead magnet opt-in. Okay, so we want to capture a lead and get someone to opt in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the pencil, go over to actions here. Now I want to add them to a list. So I'm going to say test opt-in 4. Okay, so we've done a couple of tests in the past. We're going to go ahead and add them to that list. So you just hit the plus sign. And now everybody that opts into this page is going to be added to this list. So now we can market to this list. So each step of this process, you're going to create new lists. All right. So if you don't understand that fully, it's okay. We're going to help you out with that during the training and showing you how to do funnels. And, there's a lot of steps and a lot of things we're going to help you to be successful with the system. Now, you can pick different domain names here. They'll show up. For the sake of this, we'll just keep the regular one. Just click choose template. Already under my templates. So I'm going to go ahead and find my template, mini course opt-in test 1. All right, so you can see what it'll look like on mobile and what it'll look like on desktop. I'm going to go ahead and create that one now. Okay, so as this page finishes loading in here, you're going to see that we're inside the drag and drop page editor. So what you're going to see over here under elements, you could put different widgets, like say you want to put a video here instead of this right here. We can go ahead and do that. So if you wanted to, you could delete this and make the video here, but I don't really do that on opt-in pages, so I'm going to go ahead and just delete the actual video there. So I have this one already queued up and ready to go, and this is a template. We're going to be giving you guys some professional, fully tested and optimized templates, and this is one of them right here. Okay, so we're going to be giving you all the tools that you need to go and customize and build a funnel. So obviously now you're going to have to swap out the image here of Sonia on the iPad. Like you're going to have to put your own image in there on the iPad if you want that to be one of your images, and you got to buy the stock footage like she did. And then here's another iPad image with her logo for the Ask Your Guides mini course when they opt in. So you're going to have to go and customize this. Now, with the drag and drop page editor, so you can just go ahead and kind of drag and drop and move stuff around as you want it and change the colors. You just got to get familiarized with the system here that we have. So you'll just kind of have to kind of get used to how it is, okay? All right, so you can kind of play around with it and do what you want. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that again. And the cool thing about this is if you haven't even created a website before, we have different sections here where you could actually create a header, a footer. You could just drag stuff where you want it. So you could create a full website within minutes and make it mobile responsive and ready to go. You just got to select all three of these if you want it to be optimized for all of it. Sometimes in this case, this is only for the mobile is this header, and then this header is for desktop and iPad. Okay, so we optimize these based on how they look on different, different. So we optimize these on how they look on different devices. So you're just going to have to kind of play around with it. So we won't go into too much depth. Our page builder, you will figure it out. Just make sure you save it when you're working with it. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this here. I'm going to save this page so it'll go through its process. All right, once it's saved, it'll say page saved successfully up here. It'll still be spinning here, but that's okay. You can go out of it. It's saved once the thing at the top is saved. The thing spinning down there at the bottom is just saying that it won't show up live on the internet until that's done, but you can just go out of the page now. Okay, so if you want to see the preview of this over here, you can see it looks like with this yellow button here. So if we go ahead and click on this camera, what's going to happen here is it's going to show a preview of this page. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to create two pages here, this page and this page, and then we're going to test the system out. So you can see that it showed up there. Let's save it now, make sure that the system is, so it's saved completely. All right, so now let's go ahead and let's do this one. So test opt-in 5. All right, and the reason why we're doing this is we're getting them to opt in for the lead magnet. We're delivering the lead magnet on the second page as well as getting them to register for the webinar. And this says it's a live webinar template, but I'm going to show you this is actually an automated webinar system that you can set up. It's not like using an actual webinar. It's like we're calling it a live webinar funnel, but it's really just them watching a video. You could do a live webinar if you want with fake chats and different automations, but I just like sending them straight to a video, and I'll show you the conversions that we're having on this page, and I'll show you the conversions that we're having with this funnel, okay, in just a second. So, all right, so we need to go ahead and choose a template for the second page. So under My Templates, let me go ahead and find my template here. There it is. Boom. Okay, so this page is now loading in here. You can see what it looks like, and we're just going to go ahead and save it. We'll just click on the camera here. So you can see now we're going to have 2 pages, an email. So let's go ahead and save this. Save it again just to be safe. All right, so now what you can see here is it goes to this page, opt-in 9195. So, all right, so I go put my first name, my email in there. Click watch mini course. So now it's going to the second page. Thank you, invite, yada, yada. Which you can see there is that the page. So it worked, went to the next page. Now, this isn't set up for this page to have access here. But you can see now, if you go here to my email, I got the lead magnet delivery of this email. So lead magnet delivery and then body signature. You can see it right there. Okay, it showed up. Now, I'm going to go ahead and save this. We're going to go out of this page. So now you can go inside of contacts and we're going to go ahead and take a look down here under test opt-in for. This is where I opted in. And there's my information. Boom. So I've opted into other lists as well doing these tests. Okay. So, and you can see here, if you click on my information here, you can see all the pages that I visited. They're in the system. Okay, so I've done tests with other pages and stuff with the same email. You can see all the pages. So you can see the digital footprint of somebody that goes through your system and keep track of that and be able to market to them till the end of time. Our system is very detailed and it has a lot of information. Okay, so now I'm going to show you an actual funnel here. Okay, we're going to look at this is a real funnel now. This is the real version of Sonia's funnel. And what's cool is if you click on over here, and then you can put the dates. So if you want to say like, you know, April 1st to April 30th, you just go apply. You can see the exact numbers of the people that visited these pages. So if I go ahead and go to this page, so it said, what was the number on that it said? 11999, right? So I'm going to this page again. So let me go ahead and refresh this. It's going to say 1,200 now. 1,200. You see, these numbers are exactly what they should be. Okay, going through the whole funnel. You can see right here, there's 15 people that have bought. All right, we're going to look at this in just 1 second. Now, I will point out here that we're not getting very many people taking the upsells. Okay, this upsell was only the test upsell. We've only actually had one real person take this downsell right here, and then everybody else, we've had, I think, 14 sales so far. So you can see the numbers going through the whole funnel. So now you could figure out where you want to improve the funnel. So we're going to go outside of here now and go over to store, and you can see these are real people that have bought. So I'm blurring out all their personal information, but you could see over here the date, ask your guides. One person took the downsell for $59. So we need to get more people to take the upsells, but you can see the funnels working to get them through to that first sale. And then now we just got to tweak the offer on the upsell, the one-click upsell, and then move them through the funnel. Okay, so you can see how powerful the system is here. I wanted to show you a basic version of where you can create a template from the catalog, start customizing it, and then a fully built out version that is working with real analytics. And we'll just get more and more detailed with these analytics and show you exactly what you need to do to customize a funnel, fix it, improve it, so you can actually start getting success with your funnel. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of our visual funnel builder. You're just as excited as we are. I'm excited to be sharing it with you as well. So let's get back to the presentation.